Alright, so for this Nomad Sculpt video, we are going to do a hammer. So as you can see over here, we got a little sketch. We can kind of break this down to like 3 little parts. One part is kind of solid and the other kind of latches onto it. So we're going to work with the top first. That's usually made of iron, like the back here and the top hammer. All right, so let's get started. Let's add the primitive cylinder. Okay. Snap. 90. Okay. That should be good. This might be a little bigger than usual, but we can always scale it down if we need to in other programs. So accept, duplicate, extend. Oh. That's good. Okay. Make it a little bigger like that. And then we're gonna add a square box, sorry. Let's front. Let's make sure it's like that, pretty even out. All right, so that's a good size. All right. There we are. Accept. Now we can duplicate these two. All this square. Sorry, cube. So the back where you would, what do you call it? The back where you would use it to take out some nails. This is that. Right. Left. Let's do some cutting, trim. Left. Line. No, let's just do lasso. Okay. That's good. Okay. And then we can replicate that. And move it to the other side. All right, that's good. All right, and remember, this is all like one giant solid piece. If I remember this, that should be fine. Or am I putting this backwards? I think that's backwards. Okay. Yeah, okay, that is backwards. All right. There we are. All right, remember, this is all one big solid piece. Duplicate that. Bring it down like this. Further. All right, and that is it. Okay, that is the metal piece for the hammer. And now we can add all these together. We're gonna do a voxel merge. right? Sweet. Um, so this will be the hammer head. Now that we have our hammerhead, let's do some smoothing out, low intensity, semi-small radius, especially this part's right here. It's not too bad. Oh, that's good. Not absolutely terrible. Let's see, you can still smooth it out without changing the geometry too much. All right, there we are. Hammer head is good. All right, and then from there, let's make the lower body. So what we can do here is add a box. Go to the bottom, line it up. It should be pretty good. All right. I'm gonna quickly duplicate that. The hammer should be your takeaway piece, and then box submerge. All right, there we go. So now we have that with our what do you call it, hammer body with the hammer head properly attached. All right, and then from there we can add another box, bottom. Oh, cool. I didn't know they could do that. All right, there are. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay. Lower that. That should be good for the most part. Enter. Add this two together, do a box submerge. That'll be the hammer body. Now we can do some modification on that. So let's move things out. High intensity and semi good radius. There we are. Okay. Let's see. Move that. Oh. increase the radius here, left side, and move things now a little bigger. Right. That's not bad. Okay. That is a good handle for the body. Let's go left. Make this go a little closer. Let's go back. It's not bad. All right, so there's a good handle. Now let's smooth things out a little more. And there we have it. Higher intensity. Okay, now we have our hammer with a handle for the hand. That's not bad. So one thing, if you like, you know, the hammer is pretty nice, but it seems pretty small. Oh, right. So we can drag it here. This might be better. Okay, and we're done. Okay, so let's go to PBR. Let's select a blue force paint, then the head, maybe like silver. All right, so there we have our blue hammer right here. All good to go. Actually, let me do metallic. No, plastic is fine. All right, so there we have our hammer. It's a little bigger in scale, but it's not bad. And then, yeah, let's see. Here, there we are. All right, there's it. Hope that helped. Get you to. I hope that helped get you to a good process for building a small but nice hammer. All right, so just gonna UV unwrap, and the hammer should be available for use if you wanted. Until next time. All right, you're more than welcome to stay and see the UV unwrapping if you like. So select one of them, or maybe you can select both and do. No, just one. Options, unwrap Atlas. Then the hammer, pins. All right, and there we are. Oh, that's gonna take a bit. So just a reminder, for pieces like the hammer piece or the hammer head, it's usually all like one solid piece if you're trying to like replicate real live things. But in case you don't, and you don't want to deal with like really high vertices and stuff like that, you can just like make it into separate parts and then do each individual unwrapping, it should go a lot faster. But you know, it's always good to plan ahead. Sometimes you just learn as you go. Okay, this is gonna take a while, I guess. It is like 232 vertices, or triangles or more. So if you just want to skip this part, go ahead. Like I said, the video was done a few minutes ago. Oh, that geometry is fun, I guess.